Are you tired of missing Loom comments because notifications are off? Learn to turn on comment notifications in under 2 minutes. We'll open the library, choose a video, access settings, go to audience, locate the comment notification option, and switch it on.
All right, let's start by clicking on Library to pull up your videos. Then, go ahead and click on any video you'd like to adjust. Now, with the video open, click on Settings to see its options.
After that, click on Audience to find the commenting controls. You'll see the comment notification option right there. Just look for it.
And finally, turn it on and you're all set. Enjoy your comment alerts.
If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.